Good morning, ladies. Just wanted to share a few thoughts and some suggestions with you girls. First thing is, I want you girls to take advantage of the meal plan that's on the Beachbody website. You're getting that for free right now. It's part of the package that you purchased, and you only get it free for a month. After that, it's $14 a month, so you'll have to call and cancel it. But please take advantage of it. It's a really nice tool. You can kind of play around with it, and pretty much it'll create a meal plan for you depending on how many calories you should be taking in. So you just have to kind of put in some information, and it's just a really nice tool. So get in there and play with it and take advantage of it. Another thing, please continue to post every day. I'm noticing that for the most part, you girls have been posting every day, but a few of you haven't. And even if you're not working out, even if you're taking a rest day, even if you had a bad day, please continue to post every day, at least one post a day. It's really important in order for us to stay connected with each other and support each other. Also, wanted to talk to you a little bit about calories, calories in versus calories out. In order for you to lose weight, you'll have to burn more calories than what you're taking in, which is why the program that you've been put on, in addition to the Shakeology and the rest of the eating, it goes hand in hand. I can't stress that enough. These programs are specifically designed to help you burn calories. Going to the gym is great. I completely encourage it, taking walks, all that other extra stuff. But in addition to that, stick to your program. Believe me, it's going to work. Be consistent with it. I know that we all kind of start off with a whole lot of energy and motivation. We're really excited about these programs, and some of us can kind of lose focus or lose a little bit of motivation. It's hard work. It really is hard work, which is why we're part of this group and we're here to help each other. And this has been proven to work. So please take advantage of this, being in the group. If you feel like you're kind of losing some motivation, if you're not feeling, whatever it is you're feeling, please post it or text me, call me, whatever you need to do. Reach out to Barbara, if Barbara's your coach. Reach out to each other, whatever you need to do to share your stresses, your concerns. Just share. So I wanted to put that out there. Also, weigh-in is on Friday. We're going to be weighing ourselves every Friday and posting our results. On average, we should be losing about 1 to 2 pounds a week. That's if we're sticking with the program. If you did the cleanse, you're going to be you would have lost a little bit more, and that's okay. If you're not losing at least 1 to 2 pounds a week, something's not working. So please let me know. We need to tweak it. We need to change it. We need to look at what you're eating. This is what this group is about. So you girls want your results. Summertime is around the corner, and you've committed. You've made a commitment, not just to us, but to yourself. So let's stick with it. Let's keep it going. I love the energy in the group. I love the pictures. Please keep them coming. And I will talk to you soon. So have a great day. Bye.